Before we get into today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We love giving you daily remedies to help you improve your health. The symptoms of female menopause are well known, well documented, and properly treated by doctors. Although it's still widely studied in order to improve the quality of life of women, it's undeniable that women's menopause already has several treatments to improve the lives of women in general. However, it's not only women who suffer from hormonal changes when they reach a certain age. Men also have trouble maintaining the delicate hormonal balance when they begin to approach middle age. This phenomenon is called andropause, or male menopause. The symptoms of male menopause are similar, although they are less well publicized and there are few treatments available. We now know that men begin to feel the first signs of male menopause from the age of 40 when the body begins to have a testosterone deficiency. When women enter menopause, somewhere between the ages of 45 and 55, they are already experiencing symptoms. However, only a minority of men recognize the symptoms of male menopause. That is why it is to be able to read the signs of their own bodies and to know how to deal with one of the most delicate phases of their lives. Men over 40 should seek medical help if they have some of these symptoms of male menopause that are listed below. 1. Decreased sexual appetite. 2. Very dry hair and skin. 3. Significant increase in sweat. 4. Trouble concentrating. 5. Muscle weakness and insomnia. 6. Anxiety and/or irritability. 7. Changes in bone composition. The aging process is normal and doesn't have to be sad or dramatic. All you need to do is practice good habits to successfully tackle andropause. Here are some examples of what you can do. Make it a habit to get annual checkups to avoid any diseases. Maintain a healthy diet to avoid weight gain. Increase your intake of fish rich in healthy fats, such as sardines and salmon, which are great sources of fatty acids and calcium. Get used to eating fruits and vegetables daily. Drink 2 liters of water every day to improve metabolism and hydration of the body. If you smoke or consume alcohol, stop. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine for at least 20 minutes to prevent the symptoms of andropause from worsening. Consider natural therapies like acupuncture and homeopathy to help restore your testosterone levels. These therapies also relieve several other physical and emotional symptoms of male menopause. Changing habits and our way of life is never easy, but the results make up for the possible issues that may arise. Focus on improving your health, and you'll realize that your quality of life will also improve. If you liked this video, take a moment to check out some of our other videos.